This is the story of those young minds whose dreams are so big that the world calls it madness. Of those children for whom there are no limits, who challenge every rule, who want to overcome every obstacle. Our role is to guide these stubborn dreams, to shape those ideas that others see as incomplete. Because we know that a true mentor has the power not just to break barriers but to turn every difficulty into an opportunity. We are here to bring recognition to those voices that have the passion to change the world, because we see what the world cannot. We see the genius, the power to bring about change. This is your story, your journey, and we are with you on the path that will take you to your dreams.